I think you might be too drunk.
Let me tell you something, Orel. Drunk is nature.
I'm not really comfortable hunting with you right now.
You're not comfortable hunting with me? Have you ever tried hunting with you? I gotta tell you, Orel. Your cup is always half empty. Now look at me. You should be more like your old man and look on the blight side of life.
Blight?
I didn't say bright. I said blight. My life is sunny and blight. Bright means the opposite. It means sudden withering death. And that's not... Oh, who am I kidding? My life is full of bright.
You mean blight?
Oh, God.
What's the matter?
I hate myself. Why do you quit working on